Hi lovely people, let me show you how to do the simple carbonara. Yes, it's so simple, everybody can make. There is no cream inside, there is no milk. Ingredients: egg, guanciale, which is pig cheek, or you can use pancetta, parmesan, which is fantastic, spaghetti, salt, pepper, and just a bit of water. That's all. First of all, let's just cook the spaghetti. Right, it's about 100 grams of pasta. Just put everything inside. Ah, yes. Let it just go down slowly, slowly. Pinch of salt. Help with a fork to go down. Yes. So simple. Then you have 2 eggs. Crack it. 1. And the other one, I need a yolk of egg. Put everything inside here. So let's move this one away. So easy. Let's check the pasta. Fantastic. It's about 7 to 8 minutes to cook the pasta. Now, first of all, little salt, just a little bit of salt inside the egg. With a fork, beat them a little bit. Once it's beat, just a little bit of black pepper inside as well. Just beat them all up. So easy, it's unbelievable. Right, parmesan, don't be afraid. Fantastic. Oh my goodness me. Lots of parmesan. Let's put them on away. For my one, I always like to put a little bit of water inside. Plus, I can put some pasta water, but if I put just a little bit of a cold water inside, so I make it more liquid. The eggs is so easy to mix with the spaghetti. That's all. That's done. Easy. Nothing at all. Just leave this one. Now, lovely guanciale. So you cut about 2 lovely slices of guanciale. The guanciale is pig cheek. Very, very good. Look at that lovely fat on it. Incredible. That will melt when you cook it. That will give you a flavor of it. And a little bit meat inside. That will become so lovely and crispy. It is a joy. Right, let's cut it. This is for 1. This is a portion for 1. Right, you cut it. You can even cut a little thicker. For the authentic carbonara, use guanciale. But if you can't find the guanciale, use pancetta. Well, I can't find the guanciale, I can't find the pancetta. What shall I use? Alternative, you can use a nice big slice of a bacon. Also will work. Also will give you a lovely flavor. That's good. You just need a little touch of oil, not too much, because remember the flavor is going to be this fat inside here. Look at that beauty. Nice. But just need a little bit. You can see little bits I put inside, hardly anything. Just because I don't want it to stick straight away in the pan. Okay. Don't be afraid if the pan is not very hot, because slowly, the time the pasta is cooked, which let's check it, the guanciale should be ready. Oh yes. Yeah, let it sizzle in a little bit. Now you can see the fat of the guanciale. You can see, look at the color inside here, look. It's almost transparent. Some people like it very, very crisp to get all the fat out. I don't like it that much crisp. For me, that is good enough, you can see. Oh my. That's done. It takes time at all to do it. Let's check the pasta. Almost smoky, you can see. So you put it back. And pasta is ready, away from the gas. as simple and easy. I just have all the spaghetti inside. I keep stirring it. It's get the flavor off the pan. Oh my goodness me. Just to get a little bit of water, pasta water now, to deglaze it. That is done. Turn the gas off. Just a little touch of salt, not too much, because don't forget, the guanciale is already salted. Good. Let it rest for about a few seconds. Blow on top. Make sure it's not too hot, because you don't want a scrambled egg. Just pour everything inside. Oh, it's done. Look at that beauty. Look at that. This is what I'm talking about. That's good. You don't want much sauce. And if you need a little bit of water, just add a little bit of water. And then you can get that lovely creamy. Done. Put them in a plate. Which one? Oh, yes. Oh my God. Just this one inside. Little bit of black pepper, enough, lots of it. Little bit of a parmesan. Get another fork. And buon appetito. Shall I? And if you want a little bit more liquid, you can always add a little bit of a pasta water. Let's have a taste. Oh my gosh. So good. The lady in a tramp. The tramp is eating. Arrivederci!